Into Samoa too.
What's up, TNS family? Welcome to Samoa. Choo! Okay, family, so do you want to know what your surprise is?
I think they want to know. I think they want to know.
We're going to Savaii!
Can you get a hand at the back here?
Yes! So we actually just planned this last minute. Mum and Dad were like, nah, we're gonna go Savaii. We'll go for a few days before you go back. And then Mum and Dad went and booked our car and we are on the bus now. I mean, we're on the ferry now. I'm just crossing my fingers that I don't feel smoke sick, because yesterday I was really car sick and it was a bad experience for me going to tour school. I hope you can hear us, the wind is really loud.
So yeah, shout out to all you Savaian people. I know you guys been waiting and, you know, commenting and this, that. Actually,
We
speaking of
see you.
commenting, guys, we do not know what's going on with our comment section, but we are trying our best to clear it up. If you do have any
idea of how to turn the comments back on, let us know. It's something to do with the kids, something like that. We don't know what's happening, but we're trying to contact YouTube to see what's happening. But hey, we're just a small channel, but if you know how to do it, let us know and we'll definitely try your methods. We didn't get to do the little shout out on the last vlog because we didn't have the comment section on.
back to what I was saying, shout out to all you Savaian people. Sarah's mum, if you guys don't know already, she is from Samoa.
Yeah, she's from Papasagawa and Falealu. So that's Mum's villages. We're gonna go visit them. If you are from them, shout out to you. And make sure you head on over to our Instagram, which is tux_Sarah, and tuck us a follow, and also let us know what you want to see in Savaii. We'll put up a questionnaire and you can just type away on what you want us to show you guys while we're in Savaii. Anyways, before we start this vlog, Tuck needs to show you something.
You know, right now I feel like I'm in court. Yeah?
You are
I'm in court. And I'm facing the jury and everyone else. Let me just show you guys. See, like I was saying, this is what I'm confronted with. Yeah, hi Samoa. Yeah, no worries. Just put on a show for you guys.
Okay, we're gonna start this vlog now. See you in Savaii.
Give you a lesson that like you like in education. By then you will know the meaning of love and affection. I wanna worship into the word of devotion. Shall between your face up and the taste of dedication. Give you a lesson that like you like in education. By then you will know the meaning of love and affection. We so well love who are all feely. Only I saw it for you. Let's have a survive. I told you, son. If I'm out of your mind, I'm gonna worship into the word of devotion. Shall between your face up on the taste of dedication. Give you a lesson in life you like in education.
Okay fam, we just got to Savaii and we saw Lumakua walking up on to the boat that we were on, and she was struggling. So I told my husband that when we get to Savaii, I'm gonna go tell her to jump in our car so they can drop her off to her car to make it easier, because the boat is a bit of a walk to coming off. But yeah fam, we're so happy we're in Savaii. Are you happy? Here we go with this. fam, so we just got here from Bolu and we're here at Salolonga Market, flea market. I had to ask her what the market was called, but if you're from Salolonga, shout out to you, give this vlog a thumbs up. But we're gonna go have a look around and see if we can buy anything because we go back soon, so we gotta start shopping now.
Family, so we have finally arrived and settled into the place where we are going to stay for the night. It is on Tunnel Beach in Manase, Sava'i. Again, let me say that for all you Savaian people out there, I want you to go down right now and hashtag Sava'i and your ngu'u, where you're from. You know, if you want to chuck a little chihu in there, then go for it. But I swear, so cliche, the camera does not do this place justice. I'm telling you. So I'm gonna show you something. Mum has made it into the water.
Yo, ladies and gentlemen, broadcast live to you from the Kayla Records Productions. Broadcast live to you, and on the right side we got Superman. vai mele kingo king su le palapa mawelo skula ki toki kalapa awisa vai fu awia ko ka ko ni pampia ke ko ku mai lo fa muka lo pia kalo fa ya fia entu lo ngo boy hia pa ule me fa mamulo le vai esi kaki lo ngo malaukia hia
Later. Okay fam, so we're about to have dinner and it's about 8:30 and we just literally swam the whole afternoon. Guys, how was your swim? So good? So good, Papa? Even my mom swam today. Guys, I think you guys should like this video because my mom actually went all the way down those stairs just for you. Hey mom. Dad, how's your Kylie? Anyways, TNS family, we hope you guys enjoyed your surprise. We weren't actually meant to come to Savaii, but like I said earlier in this vlog, my mom and dad just told us to go book it and we were just gonna come. So we're just so glad that we're here. Thank you Jesus for his traveling mercies over us, traveling from up here to Savaii.
This place is beautiful, it's awesome.
It really is. Like, these sceneries are like really beautiful.
It's like everywhere, buddy.
And I love, you know how like when you look into the ocean or like standing from up the stairs, looking down into the water, and it makes you want to swim every single time. I just came up and I wanted to run back down and swim again. But yeah guys, we're just waiting for everyone else's food to come out and then we're gonna eat and then we'll end this vlog.
Đây là cua lúc này thì hôm nay là làm cái gì giúp bạn bây giờ rồi dan dia sudah
A few moments later.
So fam, we're about to eat. We got our food. It was like a piece, it's just a piece of chicken, sapasui, fish, rice, luau, ulu, and just a salad on the side. Maybe coleslaw. That looks like coleslaw. But guys, they were so far, so we told them to move closer to us. And they told us it was just them, so they're happy that we're here. They're happy that they have company now. So yeah, we're gonna eat and then come back.
It's a real boss, so we keep it dirty like that. Anything we down the text, you can find me in the Gunga fight. Pippin faso wako, I'm a gua over semai. You know the deal, hey banga fasamo. Sekia man, get ya this way, my palmai. LA Lope, I say, we all good.